In this game, choose one person to be the wolf. The wolf will stand on the opposite side of the playing area from the rest of the group and face away from them. The group will ask, "What time is it, Mr. Wolf?" and the wolf will respond with a time between 1 and 12 p.m. Whatever number the wolf chooses, the participants take that many steps forward. This continues until the group is close to the wolf, and the wolf will then yell, "Lunchtime," instead of a number. When the wolf yells lunchtime, the whole group runs all the way back to the start line, and the wolf chases them and tries to tag them. If you get tagged, you will join the wolf in the next round and keep playing until everyone is a wolf.